Hi, I'm Dr. Kimberley Bell. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I specialize in working with people who are suffering with dizziness, vertigo, imbalance, and unexplained repeated falls. Today we're going to answer the frequently asked question, what are the top 5 signs and symptoms that I may have a vestibular problem? The answer is that people with vestibular problems commonly complain of feelings of imbalance. They may have unexplained repeated falls, or they may not have falls. They may experience dizziness and vertigo, or they may not experience dizziness and vertigo. But a general feeling of unsteadiness or imbalance usually comes along with having a vestibular problem. Another symptom that someone may have a vestibular problem is that as they're walking and they turn their head, they may lose their balance or stagger or veer off to the side. So if someone's walking and they turn their head and they veer off to the side that they turn, or they do a scissor step with their feet and they're unable to continue to walk straight with their head turned, that's an indication they may have a vestibular problem. People commonly will be driving and turn their head while they're driving and veer their car off out of the lane. So all of those are symptoms of vestibular problems. Another symptom is dizziness and vertigo in certain specific positions, such as when I lay down in bed, I get dizzy. When I roll over in bed, I get dizzy. When I bend over to tie my shoes, I get dizzy. Or when I look up at the top shelf, I get dizzy. Those are all symptoms of vestibular problems. Another complaint that people commonly have when they experience vestibular problems is sensitivity to complex visual backgrounds, such as crowds or busy malls or shopping centers with lots of cars and things happening in the visual field. Now, that may or may not present when people have a vestibular disorder, but a lot of times it does. So to summarize, people with vestibular problems commonly will have feelings of imbalance, lose their balance or stagger when they turn their head while they're walking, drive their car off of a straight path or veer off out of their lane while they turn their head when they're driving, experience dizziness or vertigo in certain specific positions, or the 5th symptom that someone may have a vestibular disorder is they may experience blurry vision with high speed or unpredictable head motions. This is commonly seen, for example, in a baseball player who is trying to track and follow a pitch as it's coming over the plate, and they lose track of the ball as the ball is moving and their head is moving in a high speed, unpredictable way. So it's a blurring of the visual field, a shaking of the visual field, or an inability to actually track an object when the head is in motion. Thank you so much for tuning in to Frequently Asked Questions with Dr. Kimberley Bell. I look forward to hearing your future questions through my website, betterbalanceinlife.com.